Now I don't want to cause panic down south, but it's snowing. It's only 9:30 AM. There's even an old boy there, look. He's racing off down the shops to get some bread and milk and supplies and things. The supermarket's open in about 30 minutes. Can I recommend that you get up, get your arse in the car, race down to Tesco, Sainsbury's, whichever supermarket you prefer, and clear the shelves. Clear the shelves because we've had a few flakes of snow. It's not even settling because the ground's wet, but clear the shelves and be prepared not to go into work tomorrow because the trains, the buses, nothing will be running. So just a video diary update. The old boy has now been to the shops and got his supplies, and as you can see, the snow is coming down an awful lot heavier now. I've been out the front of the property, and there are some considerable layers of snow. Oh, look at that Bentley. There you go. Oh, that's it. This is officially a weather tragedy. We need to get BBC down here. We need to get Sky News down here. We really need to get this on the news and report this, because it is just, I mean, look at the traffic out there now. It's bedlam. The day is Sunday, the 21st of January 2018. Down south here in Surrey, we have had some severe weather. There's been a few flakes of snow. Some of this snow has settled on the tops of some stationary cars. The rest has just sort of melted on the ground. It started around 9 o'clock and continued till about 10 o'clock. I think the most exciting part of the entire southern emergency was the old guy going down the shops to clear the shelves, get some supplies. I myself was unable to make it to the supermarkets as I drive a rear-wheel drive car, and that's it. It's just you know, it's just far too. Just can't drive anywhere, and the roads are, you know, just ruined anyway, and the trains aren't running, and the buses aren't running, and planes are falling out of the sky, and you know, where is the government? Where is the government at this time? Where is the army? Where are the police? Where are the ambulance drivers? Where are the fire engines? Why aren't the fire brigade out here cutting the roofs off cars? You know, helping people. It's just, you know, we are left alone on this day. We may well look back on this day in years to come and wonder, how did we survive? That's, of course, if we do. Any of my Yorkshire friends do wish us Southerners all the luck in the world and more. You know, if you can spare some of your water from Yorkshire and bring it down south, because we're always short of that, and ours tastes crap actually. But no, anything that you can send down to us Southerners, so that we can get through these you know, few flurries, would be greatly received by all. I will leave you at this point, and you know, just do wish us all the best in this time of emergency.